See how efficiently it's clean and look at the cleaning tool.
These products right here, the VAX Blade 4 Dual Pet and Car and the VAX Spot Wash Home Duo are the perfect solution for your modern day cleaning needs. If you happen to have pets or kids, muddy paw prints or footprints on your carpets are almost inevitable. So now I'm going to show you guys what comes with the VAX Blade 4 Dual Pet and Car and the VAX Spot Wash Home Duo. Because this is the dual version of the Blade 4, you get two 1-power 4.0 batteries and the 1-power charger. There's also a crevice tool and a crevice caddy, as well as a powered floor head with antimicrobial coating. And then the mini motorized pet tool has that same coating as well. There's a soft bristle brush for dusting, and try saying that 3 times fast. And there's also a flexible powered hose. And finally, the main fixed length vacuum tube. And then of course we have the Blade 4 itself. And clicking these attachments on is like putting together a weapon. And at the time of this video, if you do buy one of these, you'll get the Pro Kit 2 for free. This includes a flexi tool, a textile tool, a tough brush, and a stretchy hose. So there's plenty of attachments to help you with your cleaning activities, and those annoying dust particles will have nowhere to hide. So the VAX Blade 4 Dual is designed to help you cut through your cleaning duties with speed and power, or should I say 1 power, as this runs on the 1-power 4.0 battery system. Each one of these batteries delivers up to 45 minutes runtime, and they take approximately 3 hours to fully recharge. And the beauty behind this battery system is that these fit onto many other VAX products. And let me show you some of the key features on board the Blade 4. It has a 3-stage filtration system called the Dust Vault, and it can contain particles as small as 0.3 microns. The motor is brushless, and there's even AI inside in the form of a 32-bit processor to monitor the power performance for better efficiency, and they call this the VAX Core. The dustbin is easy to attach and detach, and because it's see-through, you can easily see when it's full. And if you want to vacuum spider webs off of your ceiling, it's nice and light. It's around 3.1 kilograms. And if you need to vacuum inside of cupboards or under beds or in dark corners of your house, the dust tracker should shed some light on this, because it is indeed a light with a really good name, the dust tracker. Now let's check out the Spot Wash Duo. It's called the Duo because you can use it on hardwood floors, and you can also use it on carpets. So with the VAX Home Duo, you get a 250 milliliter bottle of VAX's own Spot Wash solution. Of course, the user manual's in there, and a bag for your accessories. This narrow wash tool is called the Messy Cleanup Tool, and there is an attachable carpet brush that fits inside it, and you can detach it when you're cleaning hard surfaces. And then there's the extra wide 2-in-1 wash tool, and it comes with a hard floor tool and a carpet brush. Again, these can be attached and detached when you need them. And then we've got this, the crevice tool for getting into the edges of your carpets or even between the car seats. And this is the water tank, and this is the Home Duo version, and it holds 1.1 liters of clean water and 0.72 liters of dirty water. And the sizes do vary depending on the models, so keep that in mind. And behold, we have the VAX Spot Wash Duo itself. The hose length here is 1.25 meters and the cord length is 5.5 meters. And there's a really useful feature built into the Spot Duo. It's called the self-clean function, and it flushes the hose so that when you put this away in a cupboard or wherever you keep it, it's not going to breed a new civilization of bacteria inside. So now's the moment of truth. Let's put these to the test and see how good they really are. And thanks to my little friend here, you're about to see these put to the true test, because my car has been destroyed by this dog. So for this I'm using the powered hose, and the reason it's a powered hose is because it's got these connectors here. And when I plug it in here, the power can actually transfer down to the brushes, and the brushes will spin, helping remove the dog hair from the boot. So have a look over here and you'll see how much dog hair we're dealing with. And what we've got here on the controls is the power button. That actually begins the brushes spinning, and then we can turn up the power with this plus button. So I think I'm going to have to go max power here to get these dog hairs off. So these are actually 2 different attachments that came with the Pro Kit that you get for free if you buy this at the moment. So this is the one I'm going to try first, the textile tool. I've been hoovering for about 3 minutes and I've taken quite a bit of hair off here, but this is going to take a lot more work with this particular tool because these hairs are fully stitched in there. But you can see the difference here between where I was focusing with the pet tool, the small one, and this side here where the hairs are still everywhere. So it does work, it works well. It still takes some effort and it will depend on the type of dog you have, but I consider this a win. So this is the coffee ground crevice test in slow-mo, and for this one I'm using the wide floor head with the brushes spinning and max power. And as you can see, the coffee grounds in the crevice were no match for the VAX Blade 4, and this was clearly an easy victory. So check this out. On this step we have porridge oats. On this step, apart from this bit of string, we have salt. And then on the next step, maybe the most difficult test of them all, is chia seeds. And then on the next step, we've got some bacon and egg. I'm only joking, no bacon and egg. Let's see how the pet tool does with the flexible hose extension, with the rotating brushes. Let's go. It's really got a good grip on the ground here. And light work of the chia seeds. So it looks to me like you could actually empty this without actually taking the entire thing off if you wanted to. Just by clicking that lid will pop open and all that dust in there will fall out into the bin. But what you should really do is unclip it like this, and then we can unclick this button here and it ejects all the stuff. For this test, we got some spilt milk and some tears. Let's see what it can do. So your trigger finger when you're using this rests on the button here, and when you push that, it fires out the cleaning solution. So for carpets more so than hardwood, but I'm impressed because the milk was right in the crevice here and there is no milk on it at all anymore. All right, we're now up in the YouTube studio and there has been a spot on this carpet that has been bothering me for months, and it's right there. And I'm going to try and get rid of it, but I'm going to use a different tool this time. This is what they call the messy tool, and they call it the messy tool because you're meant to only use this for bad messes, like, I don't know, bad messes. But I'm also going to be using the brush tool, which clicks inside here because that brushes the area at the same time as washing it. So it appears to have removed the stain, and I'm actually surprised at how dirty that little one spot of carpet is, which probably means this entire carpet is incredibly dirty right now. What did you do, Kaya? It's all your fault. So this is the third and final test, and I kid you not, this stain right here came from a Five Guys burger. If this can get that stain out, I'm going to be impressed. And I'm also going to be testing a different tool here as well, the crevice tool, to see if we can get right into the gaps here on this seat. So I am truly amazed right now at how much dirt is coming out of this seat. This is a definite win. So as you can tell from the results of this video, I need to do more cleaning, but also I'm very impressed with these two products. And if you want to check them out, there'll be a link below. And I appreciate you guys for watching. And if you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. And I'll see you in the next one, so don't be late.
All designed to do your household chores with modern day efficiency.